Want to use your favorite font in Canva so your designs match your brand perfectly? Here is how to do it in just a few simple steps. Today you will learn how to upload a custom font to Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. You will need to be on Canva Pro to use the custom font upload feature. Free accounts do not have this option. Once you are logged in, go to the left side menu and click on Brand. Then select Brand Kit. This is where you can manage your brand assets, including colors, logos, and fonts. In the Fonts section, you will see an option that says Upload a font. Click on that and a file selection window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your font file is saved. Canva supports OTF, TTF, and WAF formats. Choose your font file and click. Open. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you have the rights or license to use the font. Read this carefully, and if you have permission, click Yes, Upload Anyway. Canva will then process the file and add it to your brand kit. Once the upload is complete, you will see your new font listed under Uploaded Fonts. Now you can use it in any of your Canva designs. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.